Hello, my name is Kayla Rivera. I went to UCSB, so the University of California, Santa Barbara. I majored in philosophy with an emphasis in public policy and ethics, and I'm going to graduate in May 2025. So in high school, I wanted to be a PA, so a physician's assistant, and I shadowed a PA. The first patient that was seen, they had to get stitches. At that moment, I knew I couldn't be a PA. I could not do it. And she said, "You could get over blood," and I said, "Absolutely not, I cannot get over blood." My mom's best friend is an attorney, and I admire everything about her. I think she's the most wonderful human being, mom, attorney. She was someone that I went to ask, where do you think that I should go? She told me that she had always wanted to retire in Charleston, and she loved it. And I told her I want a small school, and I want to feel comfortable where I'm going. She told me that she thought the Charleston School of Law would be an amazing place for me. And so I visited, and kind of the rest was history. One of the most amazing people that I've met through Charleston is Professor Zisk. She is someone that I had as my first year torts professor. She has the most wonderful energy, so upbeat, loves her career. I want to be Professor Zisk, and so I always knew that I wanted to take her my 3L year. So I luckily got into her remedies class, and I think having the opportunity to know her as a student is wonderful because she's such a good teacher, but she's a much better person. I feel like I'm friends with the professors here because they all have such diverse backgrounds. It's been wonderful for me to be able to go to them and ask questions. I feel like I've been involved in so much. I've been involved in PDP and the Real Estate Society, and I probably put my name on every single student org that I possibly could when I came here. But then as I progressed, I became a member of the Charleston Law Review, so I'm the senior research editor. I'm a member of the transactional law team, and I'm also a member of the Diversity Leadership Scholars Program. So I have a lot of different connections at the school and a lot of different communities, which has been wonderful. I've learned something different from each of those groups, and it's definitely helped me excel as a student, let alone an individual. Externships are the way that you become immersed in what it means to be a practicing lawyer. It's hard to learn that in a classroom setting, and I think my internships and externships in Charleston have been invaluable in that sense. Just being able to teach me, how do I present myself? What is my day-to-day gonna look like? I actually externed at Samsung, so Samsung Electronics Home Appliances America in Newberry, so 2 hours away. So it was a trek to get up there. Being able to have the experience of working with the general counsel was amazing because it gave me such a different perspective. But I think that the most valuable thing that you can do for yourself would be to reach out to people. Who better than to ask for support and guidance than someone who's already walked in those shoes. And so I am a serial question asker, but if I were you, I would make a LinkedIn account and I would hunt people down until they responded to me and ask them for 5 minutes of their time. Ask them for 3 bullet points on why they did what they did. Explain your situation. People have such good advice and such good insight. And so I would say reach out, listen, and then make your own decisions, because you can never be 100% certain, but you can be confident.